You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French and Russian ballet dancer, pedagogue and choreographer. So he has a very French name. I believe it's a stage name, Marius Petipa. Petipa means a little step, which is kind of interesting. Marius Petipa is the French pronunciation here. And if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Marius Petipa. Marius Petipa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.